An ABC behavior chart is an observational tool practitioners use for analyzing behaviors of children, identifying the patterns of said behaviors, track how often these behaviors occur, and developing behavior management strategies. The letters are an acronym that stands for antecedent, behavior, and consequence. To elaborate, the antecedent refers to what happens before the behavior, such as sensory stipulation, lack of attention, disruption of routine. Behavior, on the other hand, refers to the action or behavior the child exhibits. Most of the time they fall under one or two of the different types of behavior, namely sensory, escape, attention, and tangible. Lastly, consequences refer to the response to the behavior or how you or anyone responds to the behavior. As for the chart itself, it's a straightforward document wherein the content relies heavily on the unbiased observations and notes of the observer. Practitioners who will benefit from this printable ABC behavior chart are specialists who deal with children with developmental disabilities, more specifically autism, such as developmental behavioral pediatricians, behavioral therapists, developmental therapists, physical therapists, occupational therapists, speech pathologists, and child psychiatrists or psychologists. To use our free ABC behavior chart, follow these steps. Download our ABC behavior chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Next, set specifications. Though it is possible to observe and analyze several behaviors simultaneously or in multiple settings, it's recommended that you focus on one of either at a time. This will help you pinpoint better the antecedent or trigger of that behavior. Next, observe and note down. Once you've specified the setting or behavior, note down the date and time you will be observing the child and proceed to fill out the ABCs on the template. Next, review notes. Review your notes and make sure they are understandable even by fellow practitioners because they'll be using this as a reference. Lastly, organize. Since you'll ideally be tracking the child's behavior over a certain period of time, it's best if you organize your notes according to behavior and setting, especially if there are several practitioners tracking multiple behaviors. Here is a sample of our ABC behavior chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our ABC behavior chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.